Banking in Niger more important than your generator. Abeg, my people, who here has ever held a wad of naira so big it felt like holding a newborn baby? Don't lie, I see you. Now imagine that pile of cash disappearing faster than puff puff at a wedding. That's life without a bank, my friends. Chaotic. In Nigeria, our banking system is like the jollof rice at a party. Essential. It's how we send money to mama back home, pay for that new phone we've been eyeing, and even invest in our dreams, be it a new shop or a trip to see the Eiffel Tower. Because why not? But with so many banks in Nigeria, all promising you heaven and earth, it can be confusing, right? Don't worry, my people. I'm here to break it down for you. Think of me as your financial fairy godfather, here to sprinkle some banking wisdom. We're going to dive deep into the world of Nigerian banks, from the big names to the services they offer, and how you can use them to level up your financial game. Get ready to laugh, learn, and maybe even shed a tear or two of joy, hopefully, as your money grows. Okay, let's meet our star players, the big banks in Nigeria. We've got Access Bank, Zenith Bank, First Bank, Guaranty Trust Bank, GTB, and many more. Think of them as the Avengers of the financial world, each with their own superpower. These banks offer a buffet of services. You want to save money? They've got you covered with savings accounts, fixed deposits, and all sorts of fancy names that basically mean your money can chill and even make more money. Legally, I promise. Need a loan? No problem. They've got loans for everything from starting your dream business to buying that shiny new car. Because who doesn't love that new car smell? Heck, I bet they even have loans for buying suya if you ask nicely enough. But wait, there's more. They also offer online banking, mobile banking, debit cards, credit cards, basically everything you need to navigate this cashless life we're all trying to live. Except when the POS decides to act up, then we go back to cash, Abby. Now let's talk about the good stuff, growing your wealth. You see, these banks aren't just for keeping your money safe from those pesky relatives who always need a small loan. They can actually help you make more money. Remember those savings accounts I mentioned earlier? Well, some of them come with this magical thing called interest. It's like free money the bank gives you for letting them keep your money warm. Okay, it's not exactly free, but it's close enough. Then there are investments. Now, I'm not talking about putting all your money on some random guy's guaranteed business venture. We've all been there, don't lie. I'm talking about legitimate investment options offered by the banks, like mutual funds, treasury bills, and even the stock market. But be careful with that one. It's not for the faint of heart. The key here is to start small, learn as you go, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Remember, the only stupid question is the one you don't ask. Unless you're asking if the ATM gives out free money, then that's just silly. Speaking of asking questions, let me tell you about Mama BC, the queen of compound interest. This woman, she's a legend in her village. She started saving small, like 500 naira here, 1,000 naira there, every week at the local bank. People laughed at her, called her Mama Bank. But Mama BC, she no mind them. She knew the power of compound interest. It's like a snowball effect. Your money makes money, and then that money makes more money. And before you know it, you're rolling in dough, or at least have enough for a nice vacation. Fast forward a few years, Mama BC shocked everyone when she bought a brand new Toyota Corolla, cash. Those who laughed at her were now lining up to ask for her financial advice. Moral of the story? Don't underestimate the power of consistent saving and the magic of compound interest, my people. Look, I get it. Banks can seem intimidating with their big buildings and even bigger words, but trust me, they're not out to get you. Except maybe with those ATM charges, but that's a story for another day. The truth is, banks need you as much as you need them. They want you to succeed financially because, well, that's how they make money too. So don't be afraid to walk into a bank, ask questions, and learn about the different services they offer. You can even check them out online. Most of them have websites and apps now. It's like having a bank in your pocket. You can check your balance, transfer money, even buy airtime, all from the comfort of your own home or under the duvet. No judgment here. Like, share, subscribe. And that, my friends, is the crash course on the Nigerian banking sector. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the importance of banks to how you can use them to grow your wealth. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step, or in this case, a single deposit. So go forth, my people, open that account, start saving, and watch your money grow. But before you go, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more financial wisdom that's funnier than a goat wearing a wig. Stay blessed and keep those Naira rolling.